Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to show you guys a brand new product that I have received from MyGica Group. It is the ATV 195X. This is an Andriod dongle that is exclusive to Walmart Canada. In this video we will be unboxing and also going to show you what it will bring on a table for us. Alright, so without wasting any time, let's just get into it. You can see it is very nicely designed, has a lot of markings all the way around, but once you open it, the ATV 195X is sitting right on the top. Once you take that out, and you can see all the other components that are there, so that it comes with a Bluetooth remote and also comes with a very nice user manual that is in two languages, which is French and also in English. It has a lot of information on how you can set it up, what it has, how you can connect your Bluetooth keyboard to this, and also going next on how you can connect your box. So it has a lot of information there in both languages. Beside that, you're going to see that it comes with a little HDMI extender. This way, if your TV in the back you cannot connect it directly to it, also you can connect it via this extender. Also, it comes with a power connector which is created for Canada, United States. It does have a very nice marking on top. It says MyGica, and the other side of it is just a micro USB connector so that we can connect it to this dongle in order to power it up. And also you can see that the remote that comes with it is Bluetooth, and from the top you have the power. You have a little LED indicator. You do have the mute button. Then you have the navigation key. So that's top, bottom, right, and left. And also OK in the middle. Then you do have a menu button, home button, and also the return key. You do have the volume. And then the middle part is the setup or the settings. And then the volume up button. You have to remember that this is a static mouse. So it is not an air mouse. So you can play around. So for that, you do require to get a air mouse remote, which we are going to use in this video. So we're going to mix both of these remotes. If you look on the dongle itself, from the top it does indicate that this is a MyGica unit, and then going in the front you can see that it has the HDMI connector. Going on the other side of it, you have the power connector, so that's how it's going to take power in and turn on. Going on the back part of it, you have the USB 2.0 port, which is only one connector. Then if you go on one side of it, you have a TF card reader, and then you have the antenna connection. And if you look in the bottom part of it, you just have a bunch of holes for ventilation and a serial number. And that's about it. Alright, so let's get this connected. So first, make sure that you connect your antenna on a side of it, and then go ahead and connect your connector at the back of your TV. If it doesn't connect, just like mine, I connected the extender, and then I'm going to connect the dongle itself. Now this dongle can bring a lot of things on a table for you. It will do way more than what Roku can bring on a table for you. So let's connect it and then go ahead and connect the power. Remember that your remote is Bluetooth, so it's not going to fight your smart TV or turn off your TV. This will work perfectly for you. So once that's done, I would really recommend that you use a air mouse remote, since this is a full Andriod dongle. As soon as you turn on your dongle, you're going to get the marshmallow logo, and then it's going to the MyGica animation, and then after that it just directly goes in. For first time that you launch, you will get the welcome screen. Since we already set this up, we're going directly into this. So first you're going to get the MyGica logo right on the top, and then on your right hand side you're going to get the time and also the date right underneath of it. You also have the apps and settings. So under apps, you're going to get applications, and then these are all shortcuts. So there is one that says add. It is very easy to set up, so you can change any of these icons. So the one that is plus, you just have to click on it. It automatically takes you in for other apps. You can select one of these. So in this case, we can select Geekbench and bang, it's already in a front page. The next thing is under settings. So inside of settings, you can change your Wi-Fi, and then you also have display, so your screen resolution is going to be inside of this. The next thing is more settings. So if you click on it, it will take you to regular OS settings, so you can set up more information, something like Bluetooth. You want to connect your Bluetooth headset, you can go ahead and do it here. If you do have Bluetooth speakers, go ahead, connect it through this. If you do have gaming control, you want to set it up through Bluetooth, go ahead and try it through this. Languages here too, software update, date and time. This is how you can check it and you can set it up, and also manage apps. So if you do want to delete certain apps, you can come here and you can process it. So in the bottom, we do have little icons. So from the left hand side, the first one looks like a paintbrush. That's the one you can click. So any apps that are running in the background, this will stop it and it will close the app for you. So you have more space or cache. The next thing is the turn off button. You do not have to power it off by taking the power out from the dongle itself. This, you can come here, you can totally shut it off. Also, you can reboot if it is going slow. This will help you out. And also standby, so if you just wanted to go to sleep mode. You also have the Bluetooth connection in the bottom that shows that Bluetooth is on, since the remote that comes with it is Bluetooth. And also Wi-Fi. It will tell you accurately that how many bars you have. So the more bars you have, the better connection you will have. Again, the Wi-Fi on this is AC, so it is dual band Wi-Fi. So a lot of other dongles that are out there, other ones are just single band. Alright, so let's go through and let's explain a few things to you guys. So there are some apps that are coming preloaded on this, something like Advanced Task Killer or AirPlay. Now AirPlay is something that a lot of Apple users know and play with it every day, but you do need something like an Apple TV in order to just AirPlay all of your pictures to your TV. Not anymore. This dongle will do it for you. You do not need to connect your Apple TV to your TV anymore. This will do it for you perfectly. This will work as part of eShare. Now eShare is something totally different. It will go to a total different level. We will have a different video on this to show you how you can connect, what you can do exactly with this. But just to give you a little information about it, you can connect your Android or Apple devices. Does not matter if it's an iPhone or Samsung or LG. It doesn't matter if you really have a regular phone, phablet, or if you do have a regular tablet. Does not matter if it's an iPad or even if you have your computers. This will control your box, control your dongle wirelessly through your Wi-Fi. It is a very phenomenal thing to have. So as an example, if you do want to take this screen and mirror it backward to your phone or to your tablet, you can do that. This will take you to there. Again, if you want to use your phone as a air mouse remote, you can do that too. Alright, so the next thing we will go through is going to be the Antutu. So we will click on it. This is a very good app to benchmark, and this way you will know how good your product is. So you can see right now that we have 30,814 for this unit itself, and it is a really good number, but for now it is perfect. The next thing we will test is going to be Geekbench. So when you launch it, it gives you a lot of information right in front of you. So the name of the dongle itself, it is an HDR dongle. The OS that is running is OS 6.01. It is running on ARM AM logic. Also, the CPU speed is 1.51 gigahertz and the memory on this is 2 GB. So it says to run the benchmark. Since we already run the benchmark, you can see that under history, the single core we got is 631 and under multi-core we got 1393. It's a very good number for this dongle. Alright, so we will get out of this too. The next thing that we want to go through is going to be speed test. Now, you have to remember that this dongle only going to be connected via Wi-Fi. So these guys went above and beyond to get you the one of the best connection. This is dual band with AC. Since we already tested this twice, you can see that the maximum speed that we have connected today where we are is 100 megabit maxed, and also the upload speed is 20 megabits. So you can see that we got really good results on both times, and also the maximum speed that we uploaded is 20 megabits. But since a lot of other devices are connected to this right now, we only going to get 13 up to 14, which is really good numbers again. So this is tweaked very good. Another good thing that they have is if you need help and you are very far, you cannot log into certain apps, you want to launch it and it closes, you really need help. When you contact the MyGica support team, they have something called quick support. They can log in and they can fix your device right in front of you as long as you can connect to the internet. So these are really cool things that they have. The next thing we will test is going to be Kodi. Now you have to remember that this is an actual Kodi, so this is not going to be modified or forked Kodi. So you can go to Google Play Store and download and get the latest updates for Kodi right from there. So here how we're going to test it. So we have connected our USB dongle to this. So the first thing we're going to test is going to be the 4K video. So I'll just click on it. And as soon as it starts playing for the first time, it starts jiggering a little bit. I'm sure that they can fix that. It is something with the 4K. And I tried to play a few videos and this is what happened. But again, as soon as it goes in, it's very nice and smooth. Alright, so the next one we were going to play is going to be the 1080p video. This is again from our stock video. You can see that it automatically start playing it without any hesitation, and it start going to give you really crisp picture and also very smooth picture. So this is how they're playing the 1080p video. We will exit out of this too. and we will exit out of Kodi. You can go through Google Play Store and you can download other launchers on this. I will be placing a link where you can order this unit from, which is going to be from Walmart website. Also, you can walk into your Walmart and purchase this. This is set up on their displays in Canada. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Vine, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.